Well, my first question to you. You can just chat it, okay? You can just type it out. What do you mean by public speaking? What is public speaking? You can just type it. Please don't take any paragraph. What strikes to you? When I say speak, you all know speaking. So what do you mean by public speaking? Just type it. Just one line or one word. What do you mean by that? Speaking, right? No, you can just chat. Please put your on mute. Put yourself on mute. Okay. What do you mean by speaking? Sharing our opinions or perceptions in front of public or crowd. Viber. Well, the answer is nice, but I don't see a video. You're so shy. Sure. It's our kids session, right? Yeah, we would like to see your videos also once. That is much better. Yeah. So here it shows you got a fear, you got a shy. Speaking bold in public. Okay, great. Next, anyone else? Anish, a big smile on your face. Type the answer. Speaking bold in public. Okay, sharing our opinions and perception in front of public or crowd. That's really good. Diwali. Okay. Discussing or debating on any topic. Okay. The waiting room. Okay, I've done everything. So we have 60 in the meeting now. Wow, that's really good. Okay, next 12. Okay. That's it. That's the answer. Okay. So now I'm going to share the screen. Okay, I think I'm just going to stop now. Whoever enters late, over. Yeah. So I told you all, welcome you all for this public speaking class. So I mean, I say public speaking is nothing but which you are sharing your opinions or talking out the point boldly in front of the audience. Right? Here I asked you a few minutes back, can you please introduce yourself? Each one were looking here and there. No one took a chance. Okay, I'll introduce. I should ask Pradeep, Krita, Vaishnavi, open up. Right? So you need to be here when you say public speaking. Seriously, you need to, it's nothing very simple. You need to organize your points and produce it in front of the audience. That is public speaking. Right? Just organizing, it's sharing your opinions or sharing your ideas. That's what you're going to do it. Because in the end of the session, you will have a small topic to discuss. Nothing to worry about it. We'll give a time for preparation. So when you speak in public, you need to be very bold. Before being bold, just not like that. You need to do lots of preparation. You need to have a great skill. Let's go with some of the great speakers. I think you all know him, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Lincoln? Abraham Lincoln? Right? Guess?
Yes,
Any guess? Any guesses? He? Who is he? No idea? Hitler. Hitler and Nelson Mandela. Right? And you will think, why am I showing all internationals? Okay, let's go with the Indian personalities. The great Gandhi. Right? And the CEO of Google. You know Google?
Yes,
Who is
ma'am.
it? Yeah, I should be knowing it. They all are using Google. Sundar, okay? And here, Ramurthy, Infosys Foundation, the chairman of Infosys. So here, when this person started speaking, the people around us started to listen to them. Why was that? And they're called as the great speakers, and they've done lots of changes to the society, to the world, and today they're called as a great speaker. because they have just shared their ideas and opinions where they were able to convince the people, convince their citizens, whoever it is. Now let's take Nelson Mandela. It took a lot of effort to get freedom. Hitler, you know, is a German guy. And here, Lincoln, you know it. So if you want to be a great speaker, people should get some message from you. It's just not, okay, I'm going and standing on the stage, I'm going to speak this. I think most of them do that. I'm at the stage. Just going and standing on the stage and speaking, hi, my name is this, today my topic is this. Okay, fine. No. The question is, what is the message you are giving to them? That is what we needed. Right?
Mom, people are
message.
drawing.
Sorry?
Mom, they're drawing on the pictures.
Yeah, please. I request you to unmute. I request you
Mom,
to
can you
unmute.
disable?
Yeah, I'm trying.
Mom, you're the host. You can disable the.
Yeah, I don't do that. Yeah, can you just stop it, please? All your reactions. Okay. Speaking of telling people what your opinion is about. Wow, Ananya has given an answer here. Then bold answer. Yes, almost we are a king or a queen in public. Okay, Vaishnavi, great. So you need to be here. Guys, you all are king and queen of the future. So please don't do any kind of drawings here and there. Right? Do your drawings on your book. I would appreciate that. I don't want to put any kind of strict conditions because we all are friendly zone. So you need to be very easygoing. So please don't do any kind of drawings. It disturbs others. I hope you understand. Don't keep fiddling with your computer, with your laptop or whatever it is. Take a pen and a book and start scribbling there. That's nice. If you want to scribble something. Am I right? Okay, thank you. Because I'm going to give a topic for you after 8 minutes. Okay, so where you be prepared for it. Almost all your points are really good. You're giving me a beautiful about your opinions about public speaking, and please follow that. And today I'm going to tell you in this small presentation, what I'm going to do for you is nothing but I'm going to tell you what is public speaking skills are, and okay, what is the skill required to do this. May I know, is speaking is difficult? Speaking is difficult. If it's yes, please raise your hand. Speaking is difficult. If it is yes, raise your hand. Wow. It's not difficult. Okay, Bhumika says speaking is difficult. Okay, why Bhumika? We'll come back to you later. Okay. Speaking is difficult. It's not difficult. Do you talk with your parents? Do you talk with your brother? Do you talk with your friends? Yes? Then where is it difficult? Talking here. Today in our team, we have around 18 participants, right? Talking here, you will have a problem. That's more important. So we are going to do even that. Now, the skill which you're lacking here, you're scared. You're scared of what? About speaking or about people? You're scared about people. What people will think. Will they laugh at me? Will they clap me? Will I get more audience? This is what running behind your mind. Please be very clear with your thought process. I will share some beautiful videos of the kids who are here. So let me go to point 5. So I'm going to tell you here the 3 points which you are going, what is required to do a presentation. To do a presentation, the first one is Dwani. Okay. To do a presentation, we need the first 3 things. One is presentation, how to present yourself. I'm going to go in detail. The next one, the content. How good is your content? The third, about the closure. You should know how to close it. Not if you can't keep on talking, right? I'm going to give this topic for you another 4 minutes. So please decide yourself about topic. I'll give you 3 topics. You can choose a topic. And I'm going to ask you after that. You'll get a break now. Very soon you'll get a break and you can log in again, right? I've set up a timing for break of 5 minutes. You can log in again, no issues. Now the things are, let me go step by step. I think hope all are logged in. No more entries, yeah. So I told you this, these speakers, they already plan their, what we should say, tell to the people, how should we inspire them. They are just conveying the opinion to the audience, to their group of people. And that's how they got lots of people around them, and people start listening to them. Imagine in your school, you have a leader. When leader says something, keep quiet. I'm sure you all keep quiet. When you say, show me a note, you'll do it. Because they have that skill. So public speaking skill is nothing but, it's a learnable skill. The skill which can be learned. Whoever has a problem in speaking, it's not the problem in speaking, it's a problem in speaking in public. Do you agree? If it is yes, raise your hand.
Yes, ma'am.
I think you have a problem in speaking in public. I'm sure you all do really good. You can speak very well. I know that. Right? But speaking or in front of people is a big problem. Today, I'm going to solve you all this problem in this 1-hour workshop. Now, what is the benefit of speaking in public? I could see many, the background, I request to unmute. Please unmute the call. Unmute it. Others are being affected. Please unmute your call. Yes, unmute it, please. Unmute it.
No,
Yeah,
mute
thank
or
you.
unmute. No, mute or
Oh,
unmute.
sorry, mute it, please. I'm sorry. I think there's some unmute it. Please mute your call. Mute your call because there's some surroundings there. There's a background. Mute your calls, or I should mute it. I think I'll be muting now. I don't want to take control on me. I don't want to do that. Okay, I hope you all are okay. Mute. Okay, mute. Yeah. Yeah, I have mute almost. Yeah. Thank you. So, you should check out the benefits of public speaking skills. I told you, public speaking skills is a learnable skill. It's very easy. Once you learn this, you can apply this anywhere. It could be in your classroom, or it could be in any of your parties, or it could be anywhere, any circumstances you can do this. Very easy here. So here, it's a transformation of your life. The first thing is that it transforms your life. You become very bold and you'll be very open enough to share your points in front of people. Second, your communication skills really improves. Most of the students have joined this class and they have become so bold, and they're participating, they're debate, any of the activities in their school because they're not scared now. Next one, if your communication is really good and if you have a really good connection to people, people get connected very fast because they start loving you. They like you because the way you speak, the way you convince them, that brings a great difference in their life. And again, you will be a leader. You can take your leadership positions very soon. Do you love to be like this? Do you want all these changes in your life? Yes or no? If it's yes, please raise your right hand. You don't have any change in your life? Yeah, there are many. What about Dwani? Wow, so I would like to see that. Okay, very simple. You have 1 minute break now. I'm going to go break. The topic, this is a topic. So if you really speak well, we'll see how many get impressed. We have 19 students over here. Well, the topic given to you is one of your unforgettable incidents. Be prepared. One of your unforgettable experience, or you cannot forget it, which is the most memorable moment of your life. Make a note. Unforgettable incident or something which you love to remember always, you just enjoy with it. And guys, I request you, because I've just set a break now for preparation. You can log in again another 2 minutes. Once it goes back, it will log out. You can log in again, the same number, the same ID. You got me? The topic is very simple. One of your unforgettable experience which you can share with us now. Let me see how you are going to say that. Are you okay? I'll give a break for 2 minutes. You can prepare yourself, keep your minds ready, the points, everything, and see that people enjoy it. I'll be back. No worries. If you have any doubts, you can ask me right away. Yes. Unforgettable experience of a life. Not now. It's going to be off now because I have only 1 minute to go. Think it over.